Ntekereza ko abagabo bacitinga abagore babo cyangwa aba partners babo aba girlfriends babo bitewe like bajyanwe na sex like utari satisfied in relationship yawe ako abakobwa ikintu cyinshi like gituma bacitinga cyane ni amafaranga.
I think so.
when the guy bari kudatinga wenda atamuha princess treatments atamu spoiling as oga yari yabivuze muri episode
akunda umuntu umwita
spoiling like umugive
nkunda guha abantu so numva ko umuntu utanga ari umutima mwiza kwa
exactly
right
sure.
So like when I'm in relationship I don't cheat so like ntago njya gushaka ayo mafaranga ku ruhande so if like I'm a girl I need a lot of things a lot of stuff so ntago nimba nkubwiye ngo like ntago ngiye kugusaba ibya mirenge ngo buy me a car buy me a house just ntabwo ngombwa ngo ngusabe like my girl needs this
ariko niba ufite ubushobozi bwo kumeza icyo nyeneye ntukimereze because of your stinginess urumva nkajya kukireba hand my dear don't come complaining.
Ikiza cy'abagabo as a young man ufite imyaka 16 abashaka akana gatoya keza akana k'imyaka 14 keza umuhungu w'imyaka 30 abashaka gatoya agakobwa gatoya keza umugabo w'imyaka 50 abashaka akana gatoya keza nyamba numva ikiza mwareka gushaka
ntangara abagabo nye bataba satisfied in bed hari n'umugomanye imyaka n'umugabo atamusatisfying ariko kubera the patriarchy twakuranye yuko umugore you can't talk ntango wavuga nta na kimwe because of the patriarchy Africans we have sibyo ugasanga umugore apfiriyemo like you can't do anything ariko umugabo akaba yirwa ajya hanze so rero niba nk'umugore nawe hari nk'umugore cyangwa umukobwa ufite boyfriend urumva akaba atamusatisfying we aramusara akamubwatire my husband my boyfriend my dear fiance you don't satisfy me in these ways I need to find some cowboy on the side. It can be a big deal. Why?
Abagore we are emotional human beings but we are evil. When men cheat bagenda babonza umunwa narakariye ntago bazi kwibikira bangu y'umugabo agucitinga urabibona. I swear to God umugore ashobora kuguca inyuma more than 5 years. Good years. Bakubwira umugore wanjye aracita kunga vati ufite ikibazo.
Uriya wirirwa mu biti.
My lady. So like
baravuga ngo umugore harya ngaraka cyangwa ngo demoni namurika igafata
amasomo.
Darling.
So let me tell you
women.
You cheat. Ngufate I will teach you how to cheat.
I don't call that revenge. I call that showing you kuba nacicetse nango bivuze ko ntabishobora. Don't think I'm stupid. Kuko nagushaka kwandi kumwe nawe ariko you took that for granted.
No bikora what else? Biza solving iki?
Nago ndacheating on rimwe. I don't know how it feels but I want to try it.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back on BigTown TV. Mu kiganiro cya Ghost Talk mubanamo nanjye Olga
na Radiosa.
I'm gonna Malaika, you guys are back.
Yeah.
We are back. Mezeneza.
Yeah. We are fine.
You look good. You look good.
We are fine. How are you?
Girls. Mu Rwanda niba jya babwira ko abakobwa beza
mujye mubyemera
none ni mutabyemera mujye muza kuri BigTown
so rero nkuko twabwiye abantu muri part 1 ko tuzabazanira part 2 tubaganiriza ku bintu bigiye bitandukanye twa twabibabwiye muri part 1 ariko twaje tubasubiremo icara stay close get whatever you have drink a snack whatever you have
you just stay tuned right
stay tuned nkuko menyereye ni kuri BigTown it's girls talk.
It's a girls talk. Nkuko muri part 1 twari turi kumwe with our beautiful friend.
Beautiful girl.
A beautiful
cute, by
gorgeous.
Thank you, love.
Gorgeous girl.
Gorgeous.
Welcome back.
You gorgeous.
Black beauty.
Gorgeous.
You guys, gorgeous.
Welcome back.
Gorgeous. Thank you.
How do you feel to be back again for like the first time, the third time?
The millionth
Third time. Yeah, and she will be back again and again. How do you
Man,
feel?
I'm so grateful. Ndabakunda
Yeah.
too.
Okay.
Literally, she was saying, that's right, because she was saying behind the scene, I feel happy to be with you guys. Okay.
Man,
Yeah,
these
she's
girls
saying
gives
Yeah.
vibes like batangazino vibes, and I'm like, oh,
Guys, namwe
I wish we
muzaze
could stay here
tubatumire, you know what I'm saying?
You're welcome.
Muzaze tubatumire,
You're
mubane
welcome.
natwe.
We are so friendly. You
So,
know.
coming.
what's coming?
So, as we said, muri part
The
1,
last episode.
our topic
Today.
today's topic is about
Even
relationships.
Like relationships.
but the red flags and green flags. We talked about it. Last time. Ntabwo twazirangije zose, right? Ariko noneho the main topic cyako tuvuga uyu munsi, why do people cheat? Why
In
do
a
people
relationship.
cheat in a relationship? Kubera iki abantu bacana inyuma muri relationship
Or in marriage.
or in marriage, either they're married or like they're into relationship, and how to move on
From cheating.
Yeah.
So again nongeye mbibibutse none impamvu tuzana izi topic, it's a girls talk, ni ibintu unyuramo cyangwa umugenzi wawe yanyuzemo cyangwa
Exactly.
n'undi azanyuramo. So we bring it here tukabiganiraho, namwe nyuma mukaduhereza opinion zanyu bitewe n'ukuntu mubitekereza.
Yeah.
So turahera kuri nde
So, ngiye nangire.
kuri cyane bacana inyuma.
Okay, what I think, in my opinion, ntekereza like ndabivuga kuri both sides.
Yeah.
Ntekereza ko abagabo bacheating abagore babo cyangwa aba partners babo, aba girlfriends babo bitewe like bajyanwe na sex. Like utari satisfied muri relationship yawe. Why?
Utari satisfied, sorry.
Atari satisfied
Muri relationship cyangwa
n'umuntu muri kumwe.
Muri relationship cyangwa in bed.
In bed.
In bed nyine muri relationship like sexually.
Yeah.
And second kuba like
Yeah.
or female nabo bishobora kubaho either akabakobwa ikintu cyinshi like gituma bacitinga cyane
Yeah.
muri amafaranga.
You think so?
Oh.
When the guy bari kudatinga wenda atamuha princess treatments,
Yeah.
atamu spoilinga as Olga yari yabivuze muri episode.
Akunda umuntu umwitaho.
Umuspoilinga like
Umuspoilinga,
umugive,
umuntu-
you know.
Yeah, utari stingy.
Yeah, utari stingy, yeah. So, ntekereza ko what?
Orga reka mubaze
This
bitewe.
girl is hard, like
Bitewe.
really hard.
Like bitewe n'ibyo yatubwiye muri part 1 abatayirebye please mugende
and watch the
muyirebe.
part one.
Yatubwiye iyo
Yeah.
umuntu atamwitaho spending like it's a
Stingy man.
so uramutse
You
ukunda
guys are
n'umuntu.
making me shy.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Who likes stingy men though?
We don't.
Nobody.
So okay, ndango njya kukibaza urga gusa reka mwese nkibabaze sibyo uri gukundana n'umuntu and then uramukunda like he does everything right ariko nyine afite the stingy problem in him.
Let me ask you.
What let me ask you, what should a man bring to the table? Kuburyo uvuga ngo nyine okay, uvuga ngo this man is stingy, this one is not stingy.
Don't you guys think ko abagabo n'abagore bose
Like they should be 50-50.
Yeah.
The reason why
A man should bring something to the
ubushize
table.
narabikubwiye sibyo keretse ari umuntu uvuze ngo ndabizi meze gutya akakwishyira hasi nyine umutima akakubwiza akaza akakubwiza akavuga ati njyewe I don't have this iki ntacyo mfite n'iki ntacyo mfite nyine akaba honest akakubwira ariko wa wundi ba uri kwirata ngo I'm a man I'm a what if you're claiming to be a man then be a man. Bring everything.
Period.
Exactly. Remember, it's as you said, it's a 50-50. I don't say that I'm not giving anything. I'll give you a lot. One of my love languages is giving a gift.
I know, she gave me gifts.
Also gave me a gift.
I'm the
Thank
next though.
you.
I'm the next.
You the
She
next,
gave
my
me
love.
a gift.
So like I love, you know, nkunda guha abantu so numva ko umuntu utanga ari umutima mwiza kwa
exactly
right so like when I'm in relationship I don't cheat so like ntago njya gushaka ayo mafaranga ku ruhande so if like I'm a girl I need a lot of things a lot of stuff so ntago nimba nkubwiye ngo like ntago ngiye kugusaba ibya mirenge ngo buy me a car buy me a house just nta nubwo ngombwa ngo ngusabe like my girl needs this nimba nk'umukobwa ufite telefone man ukoresha telefone yawe uri kuri charger ni television and you're having this boyfriend being claiming that I'm a man
but you wouldn't
around the world
and why
exactly
but yagira cyagiye cyo kwerekana ko he is a man in a relationship he's not there
ugufite telefone agira ngo ni television and then ukajya ugendana mu bakobwa mani inshuti zawe ukagira isoni noneho wagenda kumucitinga ugiye gushaka telefone nziza cyangwa ugiye no gushaka amafaranga yo kugura a new battery kugira ngo telefone ayikore he claims
come on niba ufite ubushobozi sibyo reka teka nko ku muntu afite ubushobozi hari umuntu utabifitiye ubushobozi wenda n'amazi ya magana ngata yabasha kuyagura bitewe n'impamvu runaka
if you fell in love with him uzi ibintu bye uzi ibintu byose then you should
ariko niba ufite ubushobozi bwo kumeza icyo nkeneye ntukimereze because of your stinginess urumva nkajya kukireba ahandi my dear don't come complaining
exactly I don't like us
don't complain
there is Jesus
spill it say it it's
okay we love it
there is this dude nyine gushaka kunereta things like that kontraga you know. And then I asked him, man, amafaranga nateye so ni I was broken like, as fuck. I just asked him 10k. 14030 140. So yes, nyine no kunereta nyine yasabireka.
Okay, were you sure ko ayafite?
Yeah, exactly.
No, like there's this bro. Twese turabantu sibyo turakora turi ibintu
yeah.
Kuhande but hari ukuntu umuntu like man abana amafaranga
yarayafite I knew like 100%, 1,000% sure that he had the money.
She told you she's sure. Why are you insisting?
Okay.
Why are you complaining?
Maybe that
no, it's not on how they have to say. The problem is not the problem.
We know your brother.
The problem is not me. Ngo wenda ngo yaravuze ngo ntayo mfite ngo mite mwanga and everything.
What did he say?
Nta kintu yavuze yesere cyane no kuntereka. Byose bitajya ngo
wow.
For 10k my guy.
Bro, that's a red
flag.
No, hari abantu hari umuntu utestinga umuntu at the beginning nayo mafaranga atanayashaka.
Sure.
Ashaka kureba will you provide the future?
Exactly.
Kuko umuntu yita ku bintu byinshi kugira akundane n'umuntu. Hari umuntu ushaka ngiye sinyeneye umuntu afite ikintu kimwe sibyo akagutestinga ati send me this. I need it for something.
Yeah.
So if you goes like that wirekanye inshuti wigaragaje.
There was like man you should at least I don't like a person who ignores me. At least wavuga ati man I'm broke.
Exactly.
That is a simple word to say.
It's like, a normal thing.
Like, to that you're broke. We don't
it's a normal thing,
bro. Over 10k.
Over 10k.
Kwihagararaho si byiza tu.
Over 10k.
So that was the first. Kwa tuvuganiye ngo waruvuze ngo abantu bagiye bacitinga kubera amafaranga abakobwa that's what you meant ariko sinabakobwa gusa n'abatipese bacitinga because of money
but like those guys baba bafite ngo
abashuga mami kuki mwita ku bakobwa kuki mwita ku bakobwa ngo twe ducitinga for money and what ntangatwe twanye ducitinga for money yeah so nkuko nabivugaga ntango abakobwa ari bo bonyine bacitinga for money please hari n'abatipe barabikora.
Yeah.
Be honest.
Boys cheat for money?
Yeah. We are people. We all love money. We all need money to survive in this world.
That's
so
new to me.
That's new to you. People cheat for money.
No, like men cheat for money.
They do.
They do.
Bro.
The gigolos are there. Gigolos men exist.
There's just out here. Bamuri Kigali bro nta mafaranga bafite sibyo? I mean nakazi bafite sibyo? nta nubwo bavuga ngo nyine baturuka muri families ngo za danger ngo zigeze sibyo noneho ugasanga ba mu nzu nziza sibyo ya danger bro agira nyine man like ukabona arifashe kandi ntuzi ngo akora iki ntuzi ngo nyine abivana kumbi there's a mom
sugar mom
ugasanga umutipe aba mu nzu like nk'iya 500
yego kandi ubizi
yambara
neza ko nakaza afite
nkabina nyine birwa bavuga ku baby ngo abaho neza akarya neza akagenda neza nta kazi afite n'abatipe barahari bameze gutya
I know person
abatipe ari benshi cyane kurusha abakobwa
cyane.
I have my childhood friend like newcomers we bari no kubaza nagishuka mamisi n'umuhungu mana aba mu nzu nziza you get aritwara yambara neza none izi kintu bakora bagenda bakikorera gym
iyo ubundi uri ikiboga
those guys are always in gyms ni byiza to build your body sometimes do some trainings you know ariko nyine harababigeza akazi like there's no other job besides hitting the gym.
No, what's wrong with it?
No, ndavuze ngo nta kibazo sibyo you need to work out as a normal person that's okay we all do ariko there are people who like always in the gym working out doing like
with it with always being in
that's being useless that's being totally useless.
No, they're making money from that.
No, that's a trainer. That's not a person who hits gym. Like, abayaru mu trainer akazi kenye numva na akazi.
Wenda ndashaka kuba the sex man live.
Nyine ndi kuvuga that's their aim. Yeah.
Like nyina kumva ko we arashaka kuba sexy. No, akaza attractinga all the women kugira ngo ajya mu amafaranga. That's so being useless.
Sorry.
Yeah. So another thing. Numva ko ntago abagabo bacitinga kubera ko they are not satisfied in bed.
Some do.
Yes, some
what
do.
What do you think?
Some are bored.
Man, there's this men bacitinga for no reason.
Harabarwaye indwara
for no
reason. Yo kuvuga ati umugore umwe
nagamagije.
Ngo ni gute urya indyo imwe kandi ku boutique uzi ibindi biryo. Like why?
That's
bullshit,
bro. That's bullshit.
That didn't come from me.
Exactly. Yeah. Ngo kuki urya indyo imwe kandi kuri boutique huzuye ibirayi.
Nese kuki wamuhisemo bro? Kuki utagumye aho ngaho nyine ngo ugende like ikiza cy'abagabo as a younger man ufite imyaka 16 abashaka kana gato ya keza. Akana k'imyaka 14 keza. Umuhungu w'imyaka 30 abashaka gato ya agakobwa gato ya keza. Umugabo w'imyaka 50 abashaka kana gato ya keza. Nyamba numva ikiza mwareka gushaka.
Sibyo ho around
mukajya muba free guhora mushaka utwo twana dutoya twiza cause including umuntu in your life mukamushira muri relationship as a beautiful black girl like me.
Oh, period.
Ugafata Oruga as beautiful as she is
ukamushyira muri relationship ugatangira kunchitinga with man utuntu ntazi twari two.
Let's say it.
Ugly ass bitches. Man, that hurts.
It hurts.
It really hurts.
It does. Ariko nyine hari n'abantu bacitinga abantu babagabo bacitinga kubera ko they are not satisfied in bed. Bacitinga nyine n'abantu babiyubashye man nuko hari ikintu aba yarabuzi wiwe akavuga ati let me take this one girl a side chick ari umwe
mushyire hamwe njye muha icyo ashaka nawe arabizi neza ko mfite umugore azajya nyubahira umugore.
Urabyemera?
Yeah, that happens.
Nk'umugabo w'umukire
nyine as you urabyemera?
Yeah. Nimba ufite amafaranga yawe.
What if bikubayeho you have a husband and
let me tell you something. As I said in part 1, do whatever you do but don't disrespect me.
Nanye byangiye
ubikoze hari umugabo ubikora mana akakubwira ati ujye umugore wanjye ndanamutinya nanjye. Uyu mwubaha unyubahira abana.
Ariko orga wagira ngo amaze nk'imyaka 100
I know.
Like it's
I've been
talking from her experience. Bro,
urumva akafata umugore wanjye ujye umutinya like please ndamwubaha. Nawe uri side cyo ukamenya ko ugomba kubaha umugore w'abandi. Ariko hari babandi baba bafite ya ndwara utwahuye natwo.
Ikiri mu majipo cyose
nta n'uwajya siga.
So like nundi nanjye byangiye kuvuga hari nk'umuntu sibyo be real umuntu we mwarashakanye cyane cyane tuvuge nka gutyo sibyo mwarebakanye urugo sibyo mwaciye muri byinshi wahuye n'abantu benshi but at the end of the day wahisemo gushaka n'uwo muntu runaka sibyo niba no mu burira atagushimisha nyine nkuko ubishaka weho muri abantu babiri which happens bibaho mwicaze mubwate madam bimeze gutya na gutya njyewe uje ukabinkorera kugira ngo ujye wirukanka ugenda unsebya ngo I'm not doing this ugenda unsebya mwicaze umbwira ngo bimeze gutya na gutya I'm going to find someone umwe like nuko arabivuze be respectful
there's this couple
kandi ntutume iyo nshinzi za kunshingaho urumva like
people
but it's true
guys
it's true
be honest
it's very true
bafite umwana umwe they've been married umwana wabo I guess ubu after 8-9 years old sibyo the ready yagize ikibazo cya cancer ntago akirarana n'umugabo we mu buriri bumwe
that's sad
babyumvikanyeho they had an agreement the guy aramubwira ati njyewe like men nyine you know men ntago bakwihangana sibyo aramubwira ati njyewe nzaye ngenda nshaka nyine ibyuki ku ruhande but I'm going to respect you nzajya nkurwaza nyine like there's nyine they had an agreement
yeah
nyine ku byo radio se yaravuze ngo nimba nyine ngo atagusatisfyinga mu buriri ngo nyine mukicara mukabiganira mukavuga the guy gusa nyine nuko uwo mugabo yabizanyemo induru hatahidaye zigatuka umugabo we umugore we ibici but
that's bad ibyo byo nanga ari byiza kandi ikindi hari ikintu nshaka kubabaza sibyo since this is a girls talk it's not a boys and men's talk I'm so sorry ariko reka dufate nyine nk'urugero nka gutyo uvuze ati hari n'abagabo
uvuze gutyo bagahita bari kureba bagahita
no nango turi kuba discriminatinga
no ikintu radio sari gutrayinga kuvuga nuko nyine this is girls talk ariko ntabwo bibujije ko ntabwo opinion zanyu namwe turazikeneye kubumva sibyo
so my question is this urumva ntangara abagabo nyine bataba satisfied in bed hari n'umugomanya imyaka n'umugabo atamusatisfyinga ariko kubera the patriarchy twakuranye yuko umugore you can't talk ntango wavuga nta na kimwe because of the patriarchy Africans we have sibyo ugasanga umugore apfiriyemo like you can't do anything ariko umugabo akaba yirwa ajya hanze so rero niba nk'umugore nawe hari nk'umugore cyangwa umukobwa ufite boyfriend urumva akaba atamusatisfyinga we aramusara akamubwira my husband my boyfriend my dear fiance you don't satisfy me in these ways I need to find some cowboy on the side it can be a big deal why
but
you know this thing jenje mbivuga man so nyine njya mbivuga abantu bakavuga ngo ibiki but ikintu mbona muri Africa not even muri Africa man birahari no kwisi yose ngo by'uburinganire ntago bizigira na rimwe biba 50-50
I know
hari this guy my ex
spill
she always have stories about her ex
spill my darling ariko ni byiza sorry ko guca mu ijambo hari nk'igihe ashaka kuvuga nk'ikintu ahangaha kikagiye undi muntu kutuye akamaro
byashashasha
let me ask you yarambwiye ngo impamvu ngo men are kind of allowed to cheat kurusha uko nyine abakobwa bakora ngo iyo a girl cyangwa a woman cheats
they never go back.
She never goes back.
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's what they say.
You guys mba it.
No.
Like when men cheat, a man can cheat and still come back to you.
No.
You know why? Can I tell you why? Like as women, tugira amaranga.
That's true. Nibyo ex umugabo yaciye inyuma umugore we aragaruka ariko umugabo yaciye inyuma umugabo ntabwo yagaruka.
Do you know why?
Kubera
Let me tell you something. Let me
that's the patriarchy I've been talking about. That's the patriarchy I've been talking about. Ni ibintu nyine mwakuranye mufite mu mitwe.
Oh yeah, you know man about like as women like to be soft tugira like amaranga mutima yacu nyine bari too high kurusha abagabo. Nyine feelings zacu ziba ziri strong mu rukundo kurusha iz'abagabo sibyo?
If you're saying that njye mfite ikibazo direct.
Can I tell her?
Hari nk'umukobwa bro usanga ari muri two relationships kandi byose zose are fulfilling
ari 50-50
reka nkubwire
Bose-
let me tell
bose
you
baba
nyine
right-
baba
the
bazi
right
ubwenge.
thing.
Umva.
nyine nibyo ndi kuvuga
Abagore-
tutatekerezaga ko
we are emotional human beings but we are evil.
I know.
Let me tell you something. When a girl eats, akaraba intoki no ku munwa agataha akamera neza akaba yajyana no mu rugo akarya n'ibindi byo mu rugo. You get? Cyangwa akavuga ko ashonje ariko batetse ibintu adashaka. Ariko umugabo yarahaze yariye. N'ibiryo ashobora kubisigana akenda akaba ati ibyo biryo byawe ntabyo nshaka
I know.
njyewe nariye. So it's like men will
Rero kuna bari
cheat.
kukureba.
When men cheat bagenda babunza umunwa narakariye narakariye and there are leg flags and scam as well. Urumva kana narakariye nyine ntago bazi kwibikira bangu y'umugabo agucitinga urabibona. Let me I swear to God umugore ashobora kuguca inyuma more than 5 years. Good years.
sazi n'ikijyambere
Uvuga bakubwira ngo umugore wanjye aracita kunga vati ufite ikibazo.
Uriya. Aturiya. Uriya wirirwa mu biti.
My lady, my lady, my woman,
period
an angel on earth. Kandi umugore aguca inyuma from Monday to Saturday nimba ugera mu rugo saa 6 yahageze saa 5 n'igice
yanatetse
30 minutes akazi gutanga mu rugo and you be like I have a wife abandi bose mwaraherekeje.
narinzi ko
Exactly. So like
abagabo aribo nyine badanje mu bintu
so like
baravuga ngo iyo umugore harya ngaraka cyangwa arakaye ngo diamond namurika igafata isomo.
igafata amasomo.
Darling.
So let me tell
Fear
you
women.
kwa kundi ngo uyu mugore ngacitinze ngaragenda ngo ntazagaruka sweetheart aragaruka once twice
Kandi ikindi byana
1000 times.
Reka nkubwire impamvu yavuze ngo nango mbyemera sibyo umugabo ashaka kujya gucitinga citinge akaryoherwa akagumayo n'umugore ni nka ko nawe yagenda gucitinga agenda hagiye yaryoherwa bito n'umugabo kunamugira akagumayo.
Yeah.
So that's ibintu byaba ku mugabo kana ku mugabo ntangaro ngo umugore ngacitinze
Uzuko a guy in a into relationships like birangira umuvumba. A lot of guys bavuga ngo ngwibwirwe nande ngwimenya gute. They don't know how to control 2 relationships. Ariko a girl can control more than 5 good relationships.
Bega they should accept it. God is a woman.
I know, right?
narinzi ko nyine abatipa aribo
like for real you don't know those examples
I swear to God narinzi ko abatipa nyine aribo bacitinga cyane
no I was saying naguze
By the way,
You don't know woman. You don't know what things a
don't
woman can
get
do.
us wrong. Don't get us wrong. Umukobwa ajya kugucitinga ariko byamurambiye.
Cyokoze.
Abona umugeza. Ntabwo umukobwa yakwifata ngo directly ngahita gucitinga. No.
but man
Girls are royal ariko mubwira ikintu akubwire once twice. Ebana aravuga ati you know what?
it's my
What you are doing I can do better.
No,
What
ngira ko kantu urumva iyo nkore ikintu kibi rimwe nkakubwira ubwa kane nkanasobyemeye ubwa gatatu nkana ntabwo uri kubyumva kugira ngo ngufashe nkorohereze with your tiny brain nkorohereze ubyumve I do it and feel it.
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
And you do
like,
it times 10.
Clearly my words can't convince you kugira ngo ubyumve. So my actions
you to feel it
man ntabwo ngiye umuntu yacitinga ngo mwishyure I swear to God
ntabwo ako kanya.
bro
Marayika nyumva
So,
neza
I got this story of mine.
at
I'm
least
always having a
I
story.
can go find someone else but cheating
nyumva neza
bro no ngo
shiranje.
kukwishyura nacitinga
Let me tell you something.
bro
I had this boyfriend of mine. Jesus Christ.
Tell us.
So this guy, we've been in a
10th
relationship
boyfriend
for
the millionth bro
we've been in a relationship. We got to the relationship for like 2 years and a half, I think. And then atangira kwigira nk'umuntu nyine like babandi umuntu aba yaguhaza nyine atakubwira ngo let's break up ariko agashaka no when you tired you will leave.
yeah
You get
so that's so big
and that's nicyo kintu kibabaza mu buzima.
right
Umuntu ku buryo wamuhamagaraga yo I wasn't love akavuga yo my boss wanjye aramamagaye I'll call you back nimba ari mu gitondo ubwo aribwo namuhamagaye nyibyuka ejo mu gitondo nazongera ubwo urumva umunsi wose ntiyamamagaye none nanjye narakaye sinamuhamagara umunsi wose ucaho ejo mu gitondo numva namukumbuye nkongera nkamuhamagara namuhamagara nanone twavugana nk'iminota 2 akongera ngo yo boss ari kumamagara let me call you back
cyangwa agakora bya
umuntu akamara like 3 days 5 days
Not calling back.
without having a real conversation with him.
urakomeye bro
akakora
I'll
bya
keep
bintu.
saying this kuko uwo mutima ufite njye
Urumva?
one day is enough.
umva
biriya bintu umuntu akora uri kuri call udashaka kuvuga Malayi.
urumva you do that you're a bad girl urumva ukaba wamara 5 good days without having a real conversation with someone you're in love with
relationship.
That's not
is that relationship no we broke up and then I told my best friend I was still with my ex-best friend and I'm gonna shaman and I know like I have to me Olga atubwire this story about her yo man and
one day
we need to know
where was I okay arangije we broke up I have this I don't know if it is a talent or like infitimano whenever we broke up with a person after a month or
they always come back
that's to me always come back
yeah.
They be like bro you was something to me I didn't know
I know they realize like there was
something like golden to me I didn't know
you know because I shouldn't have read you
so I told the girl my best friend I know this dude is going to come back when he comes back Kauma is a bitch ibintu nzamukorera ibintu nzamukorera n'Imana ibizi the girl was like no when you mistangi ibintu by'amakauma paying back that's not a good thing to do I was like wait what
you said what
I am someone's child too I'm someone's sister
you have a heart too you get hurt too
he been hurting someone's daughter nzabimukorera and she was like no that's not good but I believe in karma I'll pay you with your black asses.
Period.
I know, but it happens.
I wait for God to punish you, but me, bro, ndavuga ati se energy zanjye ziri gutaka ngiye ndi kukwishira bro. No,
you cheat. Ngufate, I will teach you how to cheat.
That's the
without being caught. Exactly.
There's this. I don't know if I can call it a meme or quote. Waravuze ngo you went there ngo trying kunyishura nyine to revenge but now it hurts when you pee.
Wow. Huh? Yes way.
Ukara kanyuzemo.
Umutima rayi.
Go. She's crying.
Go.
Now it hurts when you're pain.
Sometimes it hurts when something. Yo, man. No, I didn't see that coming. I thought Kinesh was
going to say something else.
Why is crying?
Like play.
Oh my God.
So guys,
don't cheat because you hide when you pee. don't revenge. Yes,
oh yeah, not even cheating man. Revenging anaga ari byiza bro. Mujye mureka Imana ihanabo.
I believe in karma.
Reka nkubwire.
You deserve
my darling, reka nkubwire. I don't call that revenge. I call that showing you ko kuba nacecetse nango bivuze ko ntabishobora. Don't think I'm stupid. You know, and I don't call it revenge. No, wait, my darling, hari igihe ukunda umuntu sibyo hari ngiye ngira twahita tunatandukana nyuma yawo sibyo aho kujya ngureka ko ibyo nakoze suko I was stupid I wasn't stupid urumva I wasn't stupid ahubwo nuko I didn't want to do it because I loved you kuko nagushaka kwandi kumwe nawe ariko you took that for granted
no bikora what else ko mwaba mwaratandukanye
you won't fuck with me again
ko mwaba mwaratandukanye what else biza solving iki no wasting your energy in
no I'll be like happy I'm satisfied
I feel like you should ahubwo move on sibyo even though it's hard bro ukamwereka ko yebana
oya tujya gutandukana no tujya gutandukana can't waste my energy tujya gutandukana can't waste my energy I mean turi kumwe buri munsi turacyari gukundana nirwa nkubwiye ibintu rimwe na rimwe ubwa mbere ndabikubwiye reka nkwaze nkujye kujya ngo byumve isura like revenge baro byumve neza sibyo tufate nk'urugero uyu munsi you went clubbing sibyo utashye utinze sibyo ndakubwiye rero babe I don't like this sibyo ejo urongeye usubiyeyo utashye utinze ndakuvuga ati I don't like this birambabaza ugatangira you overreacting you know so kujya mweka ko I'm not overreacting ari ibintu bimbabaze sibyo kujya ngo nawe ubyumve I will also go club and see how you feel nutababara I will know I was overreacting sibyo ariko if you get hurt then you will understand what I was meaning.
That's to a person ariko
mukiri kumwe kandi what nangira ngo kuko ibyo mbikora kuko nshaka ariko dukomeza kwa turi kumwe sibyo
revenge on a person mutari kumwe I feel like it's so lame.
Oh yeah, it's stupid.
No, mutari kumweho mutari kumwe I don't have that energy. I don't have that
time. Like how can you treat someone you're not with though?
Oh yeah, there is no point.
Yeah. Njewe let me tell something. Nukuri kuma nasanze man calm man ari ibintu byiza cyane kubera ko man uziko nta muntu nengene nahemukira in a relationship.
Don't call yourself an angel.
Really?
Seriously?
Not even in any single way?
No.
Sha, Olga.
How?
Oya wenda wavuga, sibyo? Wakora nyine utuntu dusanzwe.
Ukora utuntu dusanzwe utavuga ngo byatuma umuntu utandukana n'umuntu ntago ndatandukana n'umuntu bivuye kuri wewe. Kuko nakoze ikintu kirenze ngo bitume ngo dutandukana. Ntago ndakora ikintu ntago bibaho. Ntago bibaho. Kera my first boyfriend I think nigeze gucanga kumuchitinga. No kuba ko ngewe ntago nzi gusha password yanjye ya telefone. Njamye arayibona. I mean, another guy called me.
Your phone?
He went through my phone and I don't know how to delete things. Arabibona arachicheka yari umuntu cecetse. And then the other dude called me. Ngo gari here aryamye. No, the stupid dudes they planned to meet me both of them.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, they came they told me go choose one. I said I choose none.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. None of them, no.
I said, and then I was like, I choose none. And after they left, Brungara Mamagara, ansaba imbabazi. Subirana na bari babiri.
Sawa.
Exe, no, David Skutarubi,
you are a bad girl.
Subirana na bari babiri.
Period, man.
Umwe akajya ati se wundi byagenze gute nkajya mvuga ati nyine cyagiye se ivumbura ntago yagarutse. Ntago mbizi meruka cyagiye birangira gutyo. Urumva ariko bguzo nagiye kugera kuri yo level yihe uziko the dude the first boyfriend I had akwiye kukinizera abahungu uziko umuhungu yazanye umukobwa bakararana akambwira ngo muri amafaranga ngo none ngo wabo ngo ahantu yabaga ngo bamutwariye matora ngo none hakundi yagenza ngo
wishe.
It's so easy to fool God. Let me say this, bro.
It's too easy to fool,
bro. If you guys watched part 1,
let me tell you, ntabyemera nkavuga ati yo shabura nyine bari bamujyariye matora. The second time ahamagara umukobwa barararana and then mva kuri church ndaza ariko yabwiye abaturanye ngo bamukinjire urumva yakingaga ikare agashiraho n'ingufuri yabaga ahantu biba noneho arabwira abaturage ngo bamushireho ingufuri noneho ndagenda nsanga n'ingufuri obviously ntabwo akumva ko umuntu arimo noneho hahakera kabaye kera ashwara n'umuntu wo mu gipangu umuntu wo mu gipangu atamuvamo ngo wowe ngukuntu ejo bundi naguhishiye kuri Olga bararanye n'umukobwa wari the dude arambwira ngo bararanye ariko nta kintu bakoze ndabyemera
bikingiranye urabyemera. Wow,
poor girl. Look at you.
You should work on that though.
Oh God.
That's
not anymore.
I'm really hard.
Not anymore.
Congratulations. Do you think a person can fool me? I'll fool you 1,000% with your family and the whole friends.
Congratulations. I'm happy for you.
That's why I never get hurt anymore. Because that shit hurts.
Man,
I was so easy to fool.
Yeah.
I was so easy to fool. When I'm in love, like I am all in.
La vida.
You get?
sure.
No, like nothing you can do. Like I trust you. Nothing you can do to hurt me. Yeah, never nothing you can do to hurt me.
Bro, people change. People are so evil.
Sweetheart.
barahindutse tu.
No sana najya kugera kuri iyo level nyine nangira kugira mukitinga n'ubu ngo bajya mbwa shawurgana n'ibintu wankoreye. Noneho nyine mba mfite iki kintu cy'ikibazo. Uzuko they still like abantu bose they still come back. Abantu bose na dating.
Yeah.
Ntago bageraho ngo bagende bandike. After 8 years.
Now bikwereka ko you left something
big on them.
They be like noneho ngeyo nkuretse nyine nkureka nara ura mu nzira nyine bari kukwicamenya nagucaho.
Yeah, so guys tumaze kubona ibintu bibiri abantu bakora like why people cheat tumaze kubona two reasons for money and for sexual pleasures. What do you think? Mwebwe mudukurikiye no hari icya gatatu orgavuze kandi nicyo hari n'abandi bacitinga for nothing
ari ingeso tu
ari babivukanye
ntange bw'amafaranga for sexual intercourse. Exxon karitekereza yumva ko nta muntu aca inyuma kubera amafaranga baca inyuma for sexual pleasures. Natwe ukuntu bitekereza like do you guys have any other ideas why people cheat?
Have you been cheated on?
Me?
Or cheated?
Yeah, I've never cheated.
Have you ever been cheated?
You have never cheated?
Yeah, I swear to God, man. Nago cheating on I don't know how it feels, but I want to try it.
Oh.
Have you ever been cheated on?
I've been cheated on as many times.
What about you,
Tell us,
girl?
like, spill the tea. I'll say what.
I give you guys the tea.
Oh, nimba mutarabirebye guys. Atubwira ukuntu she got cheated on.
What about you, my love?
Nago njye like uko mbizi nta muntu wancheatinze nta muntu nafashe nyine ngo aracheating.
Really?
Nje I believe ko umuntu yancheatinze nta mufashe.
Really?
Right?
She knows better.
No, like nanubwo urabyumva in the rumors.
Bro, go with you.
No, tell me really.
Nanubwo urabyumva in the rumors ko umuntu.
Yego byo ndabyumva but nago
ntabwo urafata umuntu yagucitinga.
Yeah, ukuntu mbyemera kereka nabonye muri message.
Ako barabikubwiye.
Ndabizi barabimbwiye.
Ko they cheated on you kandi they had.
But I agree with you. No, nanjye nemeranya nawe. Ntabwo mu bintu byose navuze abantu banchitinga nuko nabaga nabyifatiye.
Yeah, nago waza kukambira ngo uyu muntu ari kugucitinga ntamufashe.
Ariko ajya afite proof my dear. Tukirengagiza ibintu biba byabaye kuko rega nta nduri vugiye ubusa kumusoza.
None se harimo umuhungu waneretaga umuhungu ari nako twarakundanaga umuhungu dukundana atereta inshuti yanjye.
How many reka ngeraza ikibazo oruga how many boyfriends have you ever had?
3
already wamaze kutubwira twege no 6.
That's the same boyfriends man bagenda nibuka story.
They do you like a lot of things on there arabo ngabo nyine.
Yeah. Hari umuhungu nyine waneretaga dating uro mwana njyewe kandi abizi ko turi n'inshuti
njyewe
yego.
Oh, spill the tea.
Kuno bari kurebana.
At the moment tell us. No.
The other moment you ghosted them. Wow.
You go sha. No, I used to ask the person but Olga is my friend. What I was like ngazabyumva ngadima mugazabyumva was like nah not with Olga.
Can you believe that?
So okay, the guy you were dating ajya gutereta radio sa
abizi ko turi inshuti.
That's lame.
That's mad.
That's stupid.
Would you forgive a guy?
I know, right?
Would you forgive a guy waje agakonfessinga ati I cheated?
Yeah.
I would get hurt but I would respect you.
Exactly.
Nah.
Byari akamenyero.
Bro, byabaraka. Damn.
Byari akamenyero.
Inshuro nyinshi nukwera ko ababishaka sweetheart.
You would still forgive him.
Abavuga ngo inshuro nyinshi batangira kuvuga ati I'll go back and then ngende ambabarire.
N'ubundi nzagenda cheating nejo bundi I will go back to her. Kubera ko nziko n'ubundi yambabariye n'ubundi azambabarire. I would do that again and again and again.
Let me ask you guys, like I mean ni kwa twita ikiganiro but let me ask you, I mean the original kuba kuna how busy can someone be kuje yamara at 3 days atakwandisha?
Actually njyewe the first key to relationship is communication.
Period.
Reka nkubwize ukuri niba uri na busy mu kazi urwa mu kazi sibyo ugira umwanya kujya kurya.
I know.
Ukagira umwanya kujya ku toilette.
You are busy a whole day. Didn't you use a bathroom?
I know. Ujya umwanya kujya ku toilette ukajya umwanya kujya muri douche ukajya umwanya kujya kurya ukajya umwanya kujya kuryama ntabwo umuntu agera ku buriri ngata sinzira ako kanya ukajya n'umwanya kuva ahantu ukajya mu rugo
kujya muri douche ugachanging imyenda. Bro, call me.
A message
call me. Tell me that, babe, I'm going to be busy this day.
Exactly. A message took 30 seconds.
Man,
yo,
right?
No. Oh, cyangwa wenda tuvuge uvuye ku kazi urarushye. Yes. Umge babe, message niutamamagara babe I'm too tired let's talk tomorrow umunsi wanjye wagenze gutya niriwe mu kazi
That's so easy to understand.
as simple as
umuntu kwera gutya nuko abafite either afite somebody who's keeping a company.
There is this quote says that when if you are fighting in your relationship, like if you are begging someone for their attention, his other attention, their other
They give
They
the
have
attention.
it. They give
their other
attention to
relationship,
other
their other
person.
relationship is going so well.
so
You know, nimba uri kubenga
That
for
makes
attention,
sense.
imenya ko indi relationship arimo is going so
So
well.
well.
That makes sense, man.
Yeah, it does. Kuko nango numva ngo amburiye umwanya even once.
Are you running a country? Uri muri Ukraine.
Na papa wacu his excellent Paul Kagame gets time to talk to his
Family.
to our first lady.
Exactly.
What of you?
who are you
Who are you?
three good days
Tekerezaho
oh yeah that's too
Iminsi
much
itatu
Oh,
ngo
yeah.
wabuze
Yewe
umwanya.
n'umunsi
I'm
umwe
really
bro
busy.
out
I'm
fight
really-
3 days bro
3
what
days.
you doing
3 days.
Ku buryo
3 days.
utabonamo that
My
2
reason is
seconds.
I don't have any other reason. I was just busy with the work. What
what
the
the
fuck is
fuck
that work?
what do you do
Are you killing people?
No,
How many
Exactly.
Kandi nawe wenda ufite n'akazi.
No, ufite more than his money. No, a person utanakora wenda kuri field ngo abari ngo mu bintu. Uri kuri laptop.
Yicaye aho ngaho like.
Yicaye aho.
Wafata agafone ku ruhande ukatextinga gatoya.
nese ntago
Are you killing people and cook them? Nicyo kintu mba kibije mu buzima.
ntabwo uravuga n'umuntu kuri telefone ari no kuri zoom meeting.
Exactly.
there's some people man
Hari umuntu imana imana
uri mu
gucaringa
kazi.
agashira telefone hano sweetheart.
no akavuga babe you know what I'm busy let me talk to these people I will talk to you again I'll get back to you you know
Exactly. Cyangwa man njye mbibona ku ma TikTok man umuji ari kuri nko kuri Zoom call ari mu kazi umugirlfriend nawe ari hano gutya kuri video call ku ruhande
Yeah.
ariko umugirlfriend ari kumubona ko ari mu kazi ibyo ari kuvuga akajya mucyura udusiri
Aba ari ibintu
So guys I'm sorry kubaca mu ijambo hano inyuma amasaha yatugendanye byahatari I'm so sorry to end this like this urumva but twaganiriye tubona ibintu bituma abantu bacitinga harimo for sexual pleasures harimo for money hari n'abacitinga just for no reason nothing at all. What do you think? What uri kutureba bitekereza gute urabyumva gute wowe niki cyakubayeho hari story yakubayeho hari umuntu agucitinze because of that twamentioninze cyangwa se wotekereza kubera iki abantu bacana inyuma tuganirize twandikire tera comment dufite Instagram account Girls Talk. So guys
watwandikira kuri Instagram yacu twitwa Girls Talk ukatwandikira kuri TikTok twitwa Girls Talk naho ukajya muri BigTown TV ugatera comment ukatubwira uko byagenze you are welcome here mukadusharinga stories zanyu dukunda kumva stories z'abandi bantu tugatera na story turi abana beza
hari abantu bajya bambwira ngo bashaka kuza ngo bagira ubwoba bwa kamera yo hano nukuganira tuba turi kuganira nta bintu bitandukanye tuba turi kwiganirira wowe uzaze feel free tuzana dufata n'umwanya wo kukumenyereza dukore ikiganiro feel free this is our space this is your space
tuba tumeze nk'aho turi mu rugo
she can tell you
it's a happy place good vibes
yeah
good people.
So guys mwakoze nanone kwana natwe ino yari BigTown TV yari nuko mumenyera kino kiganiro ni Girls Talk mbona nanjye radio sa
Orga
n'umutumirwa wacu mwiza. So stay tuned, like, share, comment and subscribe. Ciao.
Ciao guys.
Cheers.